Hello, welcome back to Connected's YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, we're excited to have you join us. All right, my name is Stephen Toomey. I'm one of the co-founders of Kennected, and today I want to talk to you about how to sell property and casualty insurance. Well, I know a little bit about selling property and casualty insurance. It's been a couple years doing personal lines as well as commercial insurance for different companies. One of the reasons I got into the P&C vertical was the renewals, right? And the renewals are probably, if you own your own agency or if you're a rep for another company, you understand how fantastic it is to build up that residual book of business, and it continues to reward you as long as you take care of your customers and retain them. So with the new age we're in, social selling, if you don't know what social selling is, we'll include links to other videos where we talk about social selling, but there's just a different way to sell online than worked previously. Spamming people via direct messages or just like literally just trying to sell right off the jump. Pretend the internet, and in this case, because we're primarily a LinkedIn tool, we've got other softwares, but our number one software is Cloud Connect, which is a LinkedIn automation and outreach tool. And if you're just spamming people's DMs and you're just hitting them up saying, hey, would you like to buy my life insurance policy? Would you like to buy a home and auto from us? Would you like to insure your business with us? That's not how you would act at a party, right? Pretend you're at a party, someone invited you, you should be on your best behavior, right? You should use normal human interaction skills, find out a little bit about them, ask them about their family, what their likes and interests are. And then once you've developed enough, hopefully, rapport, then, you should ask them what they're doing for their home and auto and life and the other different, vehicles, investment vehicles or insurance vehicles that you have to offer them. So it really, social selling and how to sell property casualty insurance now, it's changed. Like, you don't want to be that guy or girl who goes to the party and is just like handing out business cards at every single interaction. Right? If you've ever been to, networking events, a lot of them are like that, and that's not what we want LinkedIn to be. And you don't want to be known for being a person who just tries to hit people up to make the sale. So LinkedIn is one of the best places to reach out to, whether they're business owners or sales professionals, or really just the demographics on LinkedIn are fantastic. Your target market, most likely, if you want to sell life, whether it's health or your, car insurance, auto, property and casualty insurance, different than home. Or different than health, but the point is you need to understand the demographics of LinkedIn, and then you also understand how to sell, which is the social selling, which we just went over. So we have a tool that can help you build your ideal target list based on the area someone lives in, right? You're probably not going to be able to sell P&C insurance to someone a couple hours away, especially if you're not licensed in their area. So we have a tool called Cloud Connect that will help you build a sales pipeline of potential prospects, and then build a drip function. Just like you can schedule out emails, you can do that for LinkedIn. You can send out automated requests, you can send out personalized greetings with their name, where they work, the area they're from, or school. There's all kinds of different things you can do, and if you do get Cloud Connect, you actually get access to some training videos that have proven scripts to help you, do things the right way and how they should be done, and be a person that provides value instead of, quote unquote, a spammer. So, the ways at which P&C insurance was done before, I used to buy a lot of, leads, right? And you can buy leads and they still work, right? But if they're not sole source leads, if they're leads that are being, vetted out to lots of different people, the rate at which you can close is less. So sole source leads are obviously a huge thing. So when you're prospecting and you're building your lists, you're essentially not competing with anyone else, right? Another way, if you're not familiar with SEO, search engine optimization, that's one of my primary functions I do at LinkedIn. LinkedIn at Kennected is I build content pieces that helps people topically find things about LinkedIn, right? As a platform. So writing content on the web, on your Google business places or your on your website, and you do it strategically. You architect your content in certain ways that the search engines will help rank your content. And so when people are looking for car insurance, auto insurance, life insurance, whatever, your content, your Google Maps listing, your website can show up locally. It's persistence and consistency. Our LinkedIn tool has been probably the number one reason as far as sales numbers why Kennected has grown so much. We have so many users. Number two really is our content, right? We produce lots and lots of articles and videos, and we're all over social. We are a content marketing agency essentially inside of our SaaS company. So we take content production and promotion very seriously, but we have a lot of fun. So hopefully this video helps how to sell P&C insurance. I mean, obviously there's things you can do like building your network and asking friends and family, all those things. But I wanted to give you an idea on where selling online is headed. And it's really headed towards, personalized messages, building value instead of, just spamming people. It's extremely important to be known and respected in your local community where you live, work, and play. All right. Thanks so much for watching.